Eicher Motors Limited. It is an Indian manufacturer of the motorcycle and commercial vehicles. It is the parent company of Royal Enfield, a manufacturer of middleweight motorcycle. The company has a joint venture with Sweden's Volvo Trucks, that is Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Limited. The group has diversified business interests in design and development, manufacturing, local and inventories, marketing of the truck, motorcycles, automotive gears and components. Siddharth Lal is the CEO of the company. Hindustan Unilever Limited. It is a subsidiary of Unilever PLC, which is British-Dutch multinational company. In 2018, company announced acquisition of Glassmith Cleaning. Hindustan Unilever is the market leader in Indian consumer product with presence in over 20 consumer categories such as soap, tea, detergent and shampoo. Famous brands are Brook Bond, Annapurna Salt, Lipton Iced Tea, Brew Coffee, Activate Detergent, Surf Excel, Lakme Beauty Product, Close Up Toothpaste, Fair and Lovely, Pepsodent, Lakme Sunsilk Shampoo, Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and Pureit Water Purifier. Infosys Limited. It is a multinational corporation that provides business consultancy information technology. Infosys is the second largest IT company after TCS. Key person Nandan Nilekani. Market cap above 3 lakh crore. Book value 153. Industry P 20.20. Stock P 18.94. EPS 36.49. Price to book ratio 5.05. Listed on both the exchanges NSE and BSE. Other companies in that sector is TCS, Wipro and SLT. State Bank of India. It is an Indian public sector bank. 22,000 से भी ज़्यादा branches. Key people Rajneesh Kumar, जो 25th chairman of SBI. Sector public sector. Market cap 1,50,000 से ऊपर. Book value 281. Industry P 13.92. Stock P 9.83. EPS 22. Face value is 1. Price to book ratio 0.68. Other companies Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Bank of India. HDFC Bank Limited. It is an Indian bank. It is an India's largest private sector lender by assets. It is the largest bank in India by market capitalization as of March 2020. It is a subsidiary of HDFC. HDFC Bank provides wholesale banking, retail banking, treasury, auto loans, personal loan, credit card, etc. HDFC Bank merged with Times Bank in 2000. This was the first merger to private bank in private sector category. In 2008, Centurion Bank was acquired by HDFC Bank. It was one of the largest merger in financial sector in India. Bank made an investment of 1,000 crore in Yes Bank. Bajaj Finance Limited. It is a subsidiary of Bajaj Finserv. It is an NBFC. The company deals in consumer finance, SME, commercial lending and wealth management. Parent company Bajaj Finserv Limited hold 57% of total shares. Other major investor includes Maharashtra Scooter Limited, Government of Singapore, Axis Long Term Equity Fund. इस सेक्टर में आने वाले अदर कंपनीज में SBI कार्ड, HDFC AMC, बजाज होल्डिंग्स. Hindalco Industries Limited. It is an Indian aluminum and copper manufacturing company. It is a subsidiary of Aditya Birla Group. Hindalco is the world's largest aluminum rolling companies, one of the biggest producer of primary aluminum in Asia. Non-ferrous metal is a sector. Market cap 32,000 crore. Book value 259. Industry P 49.18. Stock P near about 8. EPS 16.77. और इस सेक्टर में आने वाले अदर कंपनीज में नेशनल एल्यूमिनियम. BPCL. It is an Indian government controlled oil and gas company. The corporation operates two large refineries of country located in Kochi and Mumbai. Company is the second largest downstream oil company and is ranked 275 on Fortune list of the world's biggest corporation as 2019. और इस सेक्टर में आने वाले अदर कंपनीज में रिलायंस इंडस्ट्रीज एंड IOCL. Sun Pharmaceutical Limited. It is a multinational pharmaceutical company. The company established by Mr. Dilip Shanghvi in 2014. Acquisition of Ranbaxy has made the company largest pharma company in India. It is the fifth largest specialty generic company globally. In December 2016, FDA sent Sun Pharma a warning letter about 9 violations its manufacturing plant in Halol. The key people, of course, the Dilip Shanghvi. In 2007, Sun Pharma demerged its innovative research and development arm and listed it separately on the stock market as Sun Pharma Advanced Research Companies Limited, that is SPARC. TCS, Tata Consultancy Services Limited. It is an Indian telecommunication company. It is a part of Tata Group. Services, network service, network security, internet service, etc. Market cap above 7 lakh crore rupees. Book value 225. Industry P 19.78. फेस वैल्यू 1 पर यह कारोबार कर रही है. लिस्टेड ऑन बोथ द एक्सचेंजेस NSE एंड BSE. इस सेक्टर में आने वाले अदर कंपनीज में इन्फोसिस, एस्टेटेक एंड विप्रो.
तो दोस्तों, कैसा लगा हमारा बेसिक फॉर बिगिनर्स का वीडियो? अगर आपको यह वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो हमारे इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, मैक्सिमम लोगों तक इसे शेयर कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए, क्योंकि बेसिक फॉर बिगिनर सेगमेंट में हम और ऐसे नए नए वीडियोस लाने वाले हैं जो आपको बारीक से बारीक चीजें सिखाएंगी. साथ ही बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करना ना भूलिए, क्योंकि जब भी मेरे नए वीडियो अपलोड हो जाएंगे वो आप तक जल्दी से पहुंचे.